Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your bank mobile account to Cash App. First, open Cash App and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Link Banks and choose Link Debit Card. Tap No Card so you can link your bank mobile account directly. Click Continue. Use the search bar to find Bank Mobile Vibe and log in with your bank mobile credentials. Once connected, go back to the home screen and tap the bank icon at the bottom left. Select Add Cash, choose or enter your amount and tap Add. If your accounts are linked correctly, the money will transfer from Bank Mobile straight into your Cash App balance. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money from your Bank Mobile account to Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.